and welcome back. Today I will give you guys ideas on how to decorate your basic mask to make it level 1 extra, level 2 extra, level 3 extra. If you want to find out how, just keep watching. There's so many ways to redecorate this simple mask. The first idea is to find any patches you might have at home. These are all iron-on, so they'll be very easy for me to just put it on. Just play with the placement. I actually prefer it just simple like that. This would be for our level 1 extras. So once you have the patch, if it's iron-on, just press it in place. I'm not really gonna do it right now because I want to show you guys other ways to decorate this same mask. But that would be one way, to use the iron-on patches to decorate the mask. The second way is to find any tapes. I bought these at the fabric store. They're elastic tapes for all the cool cats and kittens. I would put it on the sides and either hot glue or sew it together, just right there, cleaning out the edges. You can put it in the center. You can put it in the top, bottom, or you can even fold it over in half and use it as a strap. For the third idea, you can grab any crochet, laces, trims that you have, and you can do the same as with the other one. Put it in the center, on the sides. I think this would be cute on top like that. Maybe all around if it was another color. Like that. There's so many different ways that you can decorate it. I found this super cool chain. I think that's what I'm gonna do for our last look on this one. All the tapes were level 2 extra. This is level 3 extra. For our level 3 extra mask, I have decided that it would be smart if I sewed it together, because if I was to hot glue it and then I wanted to wash it, it would not be a great idea with the chains. So if I sew it, I would be able to easily remove it. So what I'm gonna do is show you guys how to easily sew this together. So I just put it in through the needle and out, making it double. And then I'm going to knot the end twice so it doesn't come off. Like that. I wouldn't make it more than your arm's length because then it can get tangled. And now we are ready to stitch. I'll start with my needle at one end. I pinned it together to how I want it to fit, just to make it easier for me to sew. This is not going to be a perfect stitch. I just want to hold it together so that I can wear it one time and then wash it, and maybe for the next wear I'll put the patch on, or I'll do one of the other things so that I can be versatile and, you know, keep changing it. What you want to do is on the inside of the mask, you want to just hold this mesh together. So I'm just gonna do a few stitches. It's really thick in this section because it has all the layers for the elastic. Okay, once I'm somewhere at the top, I want to just go inside, get the chains out of the way. This is the right side, so grab there and it'll come out on the other side. And since it's black on black, you won't really be able to see it, especially since, you know, the chain's in the way. So I'll go a little bit over on the right side like that, maybe making like 1/4 inch marks. So 1/4 inch apart there, go in, On the other side, somewhat a 1/4 inch. Doesn't have to be perfect, you just have to come in and out until you're able to complete the whole mask. If you feel comfortable, you can do a few at a time. If you're not so comfortable, do it one by one. Struggling here. If you find that you have a hard time, you just want to push the needle with something. To make it go through. You want to be careful not to get hurt. And you want to be careful that you don't get anything else in the way of your sewing. Once you have reached the end, you want to do the same that we did to the other side. Just kind of stitch the mesh in place, or whatever trim tape or anything that you've decided to use. You kind of just want to make sure the ends are very secure so that your piece does not fall apart as you're wearing it. Here's a little trick to finishing the end. So once we secured it, we go around our needle twice, then we bring it out, and that should be a good enough knot. So now we could just clip the end. Yes.